I used to tell my friends, even recently, when you have 7 mouths to feed, nowadays you put down something in the middle of the table and that's what people eat. My mother made different meals for each of us. If we didn't like this, she would make something else. That's the way she was. She always wanted to please us. Well, my father loved steak, that I remember. And some of us did not like steak, so we wanted lamb chops. So she would make steak and lamb chops, and then there were those who did not like lamb chops or steak. So she would make a hamburger, and then for those who did not like that, they had to eat whatever was left over. I mean, there was a limit to what she would do. Um, but as I said, we didn't all eat together, so that she was in the kitchen, I think from the morning until night. She was always doing something in the kitchen. And this is really what she loved.